Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the side button. After the watch vibrates, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. And after the watch turns on, you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down, find the language you would like to use, tap on it to select it, and then tap on the check mark. And now we need to download and install the Zep application on our phone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store, tap on search, type in Zep, and tap on search. And you should see this application, Zep, formerly AMAZFIT. Tap on it, then tap on the install button and wait until the application is done installing. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on open to open it. In the app, you will need to log in into a Zep account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on sign up right here or use the third-party accounts like Google, Facebook, and stuff like that. I already have an account, so I'm gonna log in. Give me a couple of seconds. And after you log in, you should see the home page. Now, tap on profile, tap on add device, tap on watch, tap on got it, allow the required permission, tap on got it, allow the required permission, and now we need to scan the QR code from the watch. So point the camera of your phone at your watch, and after the QR code scans, you will hear the beep. You can then tap on pair and connect, tap on pair, confirm the pairing on the watch, and here we can synchronize data from basically account to our new watch if you want to. I don't want to do it, I just want to set it as new, so I'm gonna tap on set as new device, then tap on done, and you should see your AMAZFIT Active on the device page. We can also allow the required permissions for calls and stuff like that, or you can deny them if you want to. You don't need to allow them. And here we have it. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.